In this video, I'll show you how to add roles on Discord Mobile. Tap on your server name at the top and then come over and open up your server settings. Next, you want to scroll down to the user management section and tap on roles. From here, press the create role button and then it'll ask you for a role name, so this can be whatever you want. For this tutorial, we'll just call it mod and then create. Next up, it's going to ask you what permissions you want to set for the role. So we'll select moderator. Then it'll ask which members you want to assign this role to. So we'll tap on the member and then press finish at the bottom. And if we refresh, you'll see that we've assigned a role. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.